enjoy this video. Easy peasy one today. So I am making avocado on toast. We've got some crushed chili, lemon, avocados obviously, mint, salt, flaxseed oil just to add a bit more oomph to it, and some eggs. So I've just poached some eggs on the side. Then I've taken 2 avocados and scooped out the flesh. Use a fork just to mash all the avocado up. You can do it as fine as possible, or if you want a few chunks in avocados, great. Next, sprinkle some salt and some lemon juice. Chop up some fresh mint. I find that adding a little bit of mint to the avocado makes it taste a bit zingy with freshness. Take your favourite fresh bread. Here I've got some seeded sourdough, so I'm just going to cut them into slices for the avocado. Season the poached egg with salt and pepper. After you've toasted your bread, I tend to drizzle a little bit of flaxseed oil, or if you've got olive oil, that's fine. Then add your mashed up avocado on your toast. Place your poached eggs gently on top, sprinkle it with a little bit more of black pepper and maybe some more chili flakes in there, and that is your breakfast done. One of my favourite breakfasts or brunch to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe for more.